Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover lost tabs in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, let's say you navigate to Pinterest.com to browse some ideas or inspiration. Everything's going smoothly until you accidentally close that tab. Don't worry, this happens to everyone, and Chrome has built-in features to help you get it back quickly. To recover that closed tab, look at the upper right corner of your browser window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is Chrome's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and when the menu appears, hover your mouse over the option that says History. You'll notice a submenu opens up to the side. In this submenu, you'll see your recently closed tabs listed. Simply click on Pinterest or whichever website you accidentally closed, and it will reopen instantly in a new tab. This method is perfect when you remember which site you closed and want to restore it right away. Now, here's an even faster way to recover closed tabs. Let's say you close that tab again by accident. Instead of navigating through the menu, you can use a keyboard shortcut that saves you time. Press Ctrl-Shift-T on your keyboard simultaneously. As soon as you press this combination, Chrome will immediately restore your most recently closed tab. This shortcut is incredibly convenient and works every single time, making it the quickest recovery method available. But what if you accidentally close multiple tabs or even your entire Chrome browser window? This can be frustrating, especially if you had several important tabs open for research or work. Don't panic, Chrome remembers those tabs too. After you've accidentally closed your browser, reopen Google Chrome again. Once it launches, head back to the upper right corner and click on those 3 dots again. Hover your mouse over History just like before. This time, instead of seeing individual tabs, you'll notice an entry that says something like 2 tabs or however many tabs were open in your closed window. Hover your mouse over that entry and you'll see an option to restore window. Click on it and Chrome will bring back every single tab from your previous browsing session exactly as they were. This feature is a lifesaver when you accidentally close your browser with multiple important tabs open. And that's it. You now know 3 different ways to recover lost tabs in Chrome, whether it's a single tab or an entire window full of them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.